We were looking to expand the winery back, I think, around 2003. We had an idea of where we were using water, but we didn't know exactly how much we were using for the different operations, and we really needed to understand where the water was going to find the opportunities to save water. We bought little portable flow meters, and we outfitted them with quick connects that we have throughout the winery for all our hoses. We use those flow meters to kind of confirm what we thought. We found that the hoses without the nozzles used about 20 gallons per minute, and then when we put the nozzles on, it reduced it down to 7 gallons a minute. But really what we found is that the most important part of the water conservation picture is our employees.
So the water conservation team here at Lohr Vineyards is comprised of a cross-functional team of employees, from our cellar employees to our plant manager. It's a volunteer committee that reviews our water conservation practices, checks in how we're doing, and is an open forum to make suggestions to improve our water conservation practices.
There are a lot of opportunities to be found in tables of data. It doesn't look like much at first glance, and then when we start going through it, we see, gee, there's something valuable to be gleaned out of this. So we've got 39% of the water being used for harvest and 34% being used for barrel activities. And it's pretty easy math to figure out that the remainder, 25 to 30%, is all other cellar activities combined.
I think that it helps that they get to see the results of their efforts. They get to see it on the daily water board. I definitely think there's a conversation going about water conservation. Prior to that, it just really wasn't on the map. It wasn't something that we really thought about. Considering we've tripled production and maintain our water use about the same level, it's pretty remarkable.
How we gather and manage and use information helps determine how successful we are as a business.
Everything related to water costs money, and so if you are using more water than you need to do something, then you are literally putting money down the drain.